going to show how I get things aligned on small objects like these here. So I'm going to do this business card. It's very thin aluminum and it's anodized, and the laser will take the anodizing off. So what I've done here is I have created a template, and you see that outline edge that's actually like 1 millimeter larger than the card itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to engrave that black outline first, and then that will allow us to place the card accurately. Now, what I've got here is I've got a scrap piece of wood. This is just a leftover from something I cut out, and I've got it sort of locked down with my little pegs here so that it doesn't move. That's going to be important. I'm going to turn my fans and everything on here and my water pump, and I'm going to go ahead and hit start. Okay, so now I have a place to place, I have an outline to place the card within it. Now this is kind of hard for me to do while watching the phone, so much easier if I'm just looking at the card. Okay, that is close enough. It may not be accurate and perfectly accurate, but it's good enough for this setting. Now, one thing you got to make sure you do if you do this is turn off your fan, your what do you call it? Air assist, not fan, but air assist, because if the air comes by, it will just blow that card out of the way. Okay, Now I'm going to go and turn on the engraving, and turn off the cutout line in the software, and I'm going to go ahead and start it, and I'm going to do a time lapse so you can see. Alright, we are done, and there's the result, perfectly centered. Now, on occasion, when I want to do multiples, a bunch of something, and I want it easier to place, I've done this. This is actual engraved to a thickness, and this was for these dog tags. I fastened this down to the bed so it wouldn't move. I did the engraving, and then I was able to take these and literally just push them in place, and it holds them. They don't move at all. And so I was able to do one after another, and turn it over and do the back sides as well. So that's two ways that you can center and align small items with your images or your text or whatever you want to do. And this has been another video by Terry Makes. If you want to see more content like this, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, say something in the comments, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next video.